Just use a bottle cap, and you'll never struggle to thread a needle again. If you've ever struggled with threading a needle, this hack will change your life. It's super simple, but will save you so much time and frustration. To start, we'll need a plastic bottle cap. Any regular cap will do. Now, using a knife, make a small cut right here in the center of the cap. It doesn't need to be too big, just enough to hold something small. This little trick is perfect for anyone who loves sewing, whether you're at home, in the office, or even traveling. Alright, next up, we'll need a copper wire. Take one of the bristles from the cable and fold it in half, creating a tiny loop at the end. I love seeing where my community is tuning in from, so let me know your city below, and I might just shout out your city in my next video. Today's shout out goes to Sandra from Canada. Thanks for tuning in. Now, we're going to place this bristle inside the cut we made in the cap, making sure the loop sticks out from the side. To make sure it stays in place, we're going to secure the bristle with some strong glue. Be sure to fill up the gap in the cap completely so that it won't move around. We'll take a needle and pass the bristle's loop through the needle's eye. Now, take the end of your thread and pass it through the bristle's loop. And pull the needle. Voila! The needle is threaded perfectly every single time without any hassle. If you are one of those who throws away eggshells after using them, don't do that. Watch this next video instead.